Hello. So here is the first step with Brandye. As you know, AI has plenty of knowledge, but the most important is to get the AI work for you. With Brandye, you already get the best AI for e-commerce, but the most important is to get the AI for your brand. And this is what you can do with Brandye. How it works. So you just go on the menu on the left and go on AI settings. And here is the magic trick. So with Brandye, you can train the AI based on your brand, what you do, your mission, everything about your brand. So the AI will be specialized for you. Here is the first parameter. It's about the product matching strategy. If you have product like high techs, food complementary with a lot of description, use the slider on the right side to put more weight on the tech description, because the description will be used with the AI to make the best matching. But for example, if you work on fashion, you work on jewelry, maybe the image is the most important thing and you have a lay description detailed. So you can put most weight on the image. Here, for example, 19%. There is no perfect things. There is up to you, up to your brand, based on your description and your image. Here in the example, we work on a jewelry store. So I will put more weight, more importance on the image. Let's say, for example, 85%. Okay. So here is the first step. The second step is about build the knowledge base of your brand. How it works. So here is the knowledge base where you can describe your business, product. You can write everything about your brand. It's completely free. You can use it. But with Brandye, we think that AI can do it for you. So you can go on auto generate. And here, as you can see, you can add URL of your website about FAQ, about page. If you have articles about your sectors, everything about you, you can put it here. I will show you. I will go on that brand, for example, it's a brand for the shop. I will just take the link, copy and paste here, and I will add it here. When it's done, you can generate from URL. As you can see, the AI will build the knowledge base for you. So here is the knowledge base. Sorry, it's in French because as my computer is in French, it will be generated in French. But as you can see, there is plenty of information about your brand. Summarize the brand, guidance, dictionary about the brand, everything about you and your brand is right here. Just click to validate. And don't forget to save it one more time here. And you get your own knowledge base for your AI. So here is the first step with Brandye. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, just ask us.